Good morning everyone. Today I am going to solve the problems of Fourier series in the limit 0 to 2 pi. So the first problem is obtain the Fourier series of f of x equal to pi minus x divided by 2 in 0 less than x less than 2 pi. Hence deduce that 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus so on, that is equal to pi by 4. Here to solve this problem you can go for general method also, or else we can try for even or odd. Here the function is f of x equal to pi minus x divided by 2 and in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi. So first you have to check the period. So period equal to 2 pi minus 0, that is equal to 2 pi. Therefore what is f of x? That is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx. Call this equation as star. Now we have to check for even and odd. So 0 to 2 pi, to check even or odd, your limit is 0 to 2 pi, open interval, because we are having less than. So that is 0 to 2 pi. So how to check? In the function, your f of x is pi minus x divided by 2. In this function, we have to replace 2 pi minus x, not minus x. F of 2 pi minus x, that is equal to pi minus of 2 pi minus x divided by 2. That is pi minus 2 pi minus into minus plus x divided by 2. That is equal to pi minus 2 pi is minus pi plus x divided by 2. Take minus outside, that is pi minus x divided by 2. Now we have to compare with given function or minus of the given function. So given function is pi minus x by 2, but here we are having minus of pi minus x by 2. Therefore we say that it is minus f of x. F of x is odd function. F of x is odd function. So f of x is odd function, therefore which term is 0? A naught is 0, a n is 0. Here a naught is 0, a n is 0. We have to calculate bn. We have to calculate bn. So bn formula is bn equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. That is equal to 2 by pi, here f of x is pi minus x by 2. So now I am integrating pi minus x by 2 into, here we are having sin nx. Sin nx is minus cos nx divided by n. Minus, differentiate this, pi by 2 is 0, minus x by 2 is minus 1 by 2 into minus cos is minus sin nx divided by n square, that is 0 to pi. So this term becomes 0. Now take 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled, and here remaining is minus 1 by pi n into pi minus x into cos nx. Substitute 0 to pi. That is equal to, here we have to substitute minus 1 by pi n into, put x is pi. What is pi minus pi? Pi minus pi is 0. 0 into cos is 0 minus, put x is 0, that is pi into cos 0. Now we have to simplify, here minus into minus plus, pi get cancelled, pi into cos 0. We are having pi into cos 0 is 1 divided by pi n, that is equal to 1 by n. Therefore bn equal to 1 divided by n. Now therefore f of x equal to a naught is 0, a n is 0, b n is summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n into sin nx. Call this equation as 1. This is the required series. Now we have to deduce this. To deduce this one, for the deduction, we have to put here only sign means we have to try for pi by 2. It belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, what is f of x? We have to take the given function pi minus x divided by 2. Now, f of pi by 2 equal to pi minus pi by 2 divided by 2. So 2 LCM 2 pi minus pi is pi. This goes to denominator pi by 4. Therefore, substitute f of pi by 2 equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n into sine n pi by 2. F of pi by 2 is pi by 4. Expand this series. That is sine 1 pi by 2 divided by 1, sine 2 pi by 2 divided by 2, sine 3 pi by 2 divided by 3 plus sine 4 pi by 2 divided by 4 plus so on. Pi by 4 equal to value of sine pi by 2 is 1. Sine 2 pi by 2, 2 to get cancelled, sine pi is 0. Sine 3 pi by 2 value is minus 1. Sine 4 pi by 2 value is 0. Next term will get 1 by 5 minus plus so on. Therefore, pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus so on. This is the required series. Now we will solve the second problem, that is if f of x equal to x into 2 pi minus x in 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 pi. Show that f of x equal to 2 pi square by 3 minus 4 into cos x by 1 square plus cos 2x by 2 square plus cos 3x by 3 square plus so on. Hence deduce that pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. Here we are having, first check the limit 0 to 2 pi, that is 2 pi minus 0 equal to 2 pi. It is full range. Therefore, f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation a n cos nx plus summation b n sin nx. Call this equation as star. If you want, you can go for even and odd. Check the limit 0 to 2 pi. So, in the place of x, we have to put 2 pi minus x. F of 2 pi minus x equal to, function is x into 2 pi minus x. Put x is 2 pi minus x into 2 pi minus x is 2 pi minus x. 2 pi get cancelled, will get x. Compare this with the given function. So, it is equal to given function f of x. Therefore, f of x is even. Hence, bn equal to 0 and a naught and an we have to calculate. Now we are having a naught equal to 2 divided by pi 0 to pi f of x dx. So a naught 2 by pi f of x function is x into 2 pi minus x dx. So here first multiply each term, will get 2 pi x minus x square. Now integrate, take the constant outside, x integration is x square by 2 minus x square integration is x cube divided by 3. Limit is 0 to pi. 2 by pi, here take 2 to get cancelled, pi outside, substitute the limit, x square is pi square minus 0 square is 0, minus 1 by 3 into pi cube minus 0. 2 by pi, pi into pi is pi cube minus 1 by 3 into pi cube. Same function 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 divided by 3. Outside we are having 2 by pi, pi get cancelled, will get the answer 4 pi square divided by 3. This is a naught. Next an formula is 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx, that is equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi x into 2 pi minus x into cos nx dx. Now apply Bernoulli's formula. First term 2 pi x minus x square into integration of cos nx. Integration of cos nx is sin nx by n minus differentiation of 2 pi x is 2 pi minus x square is 2x. Differentiation of this one is 2 pi minus 2x. Next, integration of sine is minus cos nx by n square plus, again differentiate this, 2 pi is 0, minus 2x is minus 2. Integration of cos is sine nx by n cube, already minus is there. Now substitute the limit, before that simplify, sine pi is 0, sine 0 is 0, therefore this term becomes 0, remaining is only this term, that is 2 by pi 1 by n square into minus plus, that is 2 pi minus 2x into cos nx, that is 2 by pi n square into 0 minus, substitute pi, 2 pi minus 2 pi is 0, upper limit becomes 0 minus, substitute 0 for x, this is 0 means 2 pi into cos 0 is 1, minus 2 pi, so pi get cancelled, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 by n square, therefore an is minus 4 by n square. Therefore we have to substitute in f of x, that is f of x equal to a naught divided by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus summation bn sin nx. Because bn is 0, the term becomes 0. F of x is a naught by 2 means 2 pi square by 3 minus 4 times of summation cos nx by n square. Next we have to find the deduction. Usually you have to try for end or middle points. Put x equal to 0. X equal to 0, our limit is 0 to 2 pi. It is here f of 0 to 2 pi. Here 0 belongs, it is the open interval, closed interval, therefore x equal to 0 is a continuous point. So same function, put x is 0 means f of 0 is 0. Simplify here. So after expanding this, we'll get this. Simplify, we'll get pi square by 6 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square. Next take x equal to pi. 0 to 2 pi means pi is also continuous point. We have to take f of x is the given function. Put x is pi. Simplify this, we'll get f of pi is pi square. That is f of pi is pi square minus 2 pi square by 3 equal to minus 4 summation minus cos n pi is minus 1 power n by n square. That is 3 pi minus 2 is pi square by 3 minus 4, expand this, put n equal to 1, 2, 3 so on, we'll get minus plus minus plus. First term should be positive, take minus outside, minus into minus becomes plus, here minus becomes plus becomes minus. Therefore divided by 4, pi square by 12 equal to this. But in the question they asked pi square by 8. To get that we have to add two series, that is pi square by 12 and pi square by 6. Add these two series, will get, when we add those two series, we'll get pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. Third problem, if f of x equal to x in 0 to pi, 2 pi minus x in pi to 2 pi, 0 less than or equal to, x less than or equal to 2 pi means we say that it is the closed interval. So we write like this, 0 to 2 pi. Now we have to prove this series. First check the period 0 to 2 pi, that is 2 pi minus 0 equal to 2 pi, that is full range. Therefore f of x is a naught by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus summation bn sin nx. We have to check function is odd or even. Here we are having two functions. Take first function is phi of x. Phi of x equal to x. Second function is xi of x, that is 2 pi minus x. First check the limit before using checking even and odd. 0 to 2 pi means in the place of x we have to replace 2 pi minus x. Phi of 2 pi minus x equal to x is 2 pi minus x. Now compare with the second function. A second function is also 2 pi minus x, therefore we say that f of x is even. Bn is 0, we have to calculate a naught an. So a naught formula is 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x dx, that is a naught equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x is x into dx. Because 0 to pi, check the question, 0 to pi we are having the function is x. Integration of x is x square by 2. Apply the limit, will get a naught equal to pi. Next an, 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx, that is x into cos nx dx. Now we have to integrate this, that is 2 by pi x into what is the integration of sine? Sine cos integration is an cos integration is sin nx by n minus differentiation of x is 1, integration of sine is minus cos nx by n square. Substitute the limit 0 to pi. Sine 0 and sine pi is 0, therefore we can write this term is 0. Now remaining is only one term, minus into minus plus, that is cos nx by n square. Outside we are having 2 by pi. Take n square outside, cos n pi minus cos 0, that is an equal to 2 by pi n square into cos n pi is minus 1 power n minus 1, that is equal to, we want 1 minus minus 1 power n, so take minus outside, minus 2 by pi n square into 1 minus of minus 1 power n. Therefore an equal to minus 2 by pi n square into 1 minus of minus 1 power n. Therefore f of x equal to a by 2, a naught by 2, that is pi by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus, it is even function means bn is 0. Therefore f of x equal to pi by 2 minus plus minus 2 by pi summation 1 minus minus 1 power n by n square into cos nx. So value of 1 minus minus 1 power n is 2 if n is odd, 0 if n is even. Now we have to simplify this. Here in the place of this we have to substitute 2 into 2 is 4. Take pi outside, inside only we can keep cos nx by n square, put n equal to 1 cos x by 1 square plus cos 3x by 3 square plus cos 5x by 5 square, because it is 2 only for the odd integers. So we will get cos x, cos 3x, cos 5x, so on. Next we have to deduce. To deduce this one, try for x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is a continuous point. So what is f of x? F of x is, here we are having two function, we can take x also, we can take 2 pi minus x. F of 0 is 0. Take this to LHS part, that is minus pi by 2 equal to minus 4 by pi. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0, x is 0 means cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. Now simplify this, take this divided, both the sides we can cancel, minus divided by 4 by pi, pi into pi is pi square, 4 into 2 is 8. Pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. This is the required series. Now fourth problem, if f of x equal to pi minus x by 2 whole square in 0 less than x less than 2 pi, show that f of x equal to pi square by 12 plus summation cos nx by n square. Hence deduce that pi square by 6, pi square by 12 and pi square by 8. Before solving the problem we have to check the period. 2 pi minus 0 is 2 pi, therefore f of x is a naught by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus summation bn sin nx. Now we have to check it is even or odd. If you want we can go for general method also, but here limit is 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi means to check even or odd, put x to 2 pi minus x. Function is pi minus x by 2 whole square. Pi minus x is 2 pi minus x by 2 whole square. Now pi minus 2 pi is minus pi, will get minus pi plus x by 2 whole square. We should get the answer is given function or minus of this function. So we have to alter this equation. We want pi plus pi. So I am taking minus outside. If you take minus outside, it becomes pi minus x by 2, that whole square. Minus 1 square is plus 1. That is pi minus x by 2 whole square. Pi minus x by 2 whole square means we will get again same function. Therefore we will say that f of x is even. Already we have taken pi minus x by 2. Pi minus x by 2 is odd function. Pi minus x by 2 whole square is even function. Even means bn equal to 0. We have to calculate a naught an. That is a naught is 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x dx. F of x is pi minus x by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Remaining is pi minus x whole square. What is the integration of pi minus x whole square? I am using this formula, x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Remaining function is pi minus x whole square. Integration of pi minus x whole square is pi minus x whole cube divided by 3 Again differentiate this, that is minus x is minus 1, it is integration, so we have to write in the denominator. Limit is 0 to pi. By using this formula I am solving. Now put x is pi, pi minus pi is 0, put x is 0, that is pi cube. Next minus into minus plus, simplify this, that is pi get cancelled, 3 into 2 is 6, we'll get the answer pi square divided by 6. Next we have to find an value, that is 2 by pi 0 to pi, pi minus x by 2 whole square cos nx dx. 2 by pi 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4, remaining is pi minus x whole square cos nx dx. Again use here Bernoulli's formula, this is first function and this is second function. First function pi minus x whole square. First function pi minus x whole square into integration of cos is sin nx by n minus differentiation of pi minus x whole square is 2 into pi minus x is minus 1. Integration of sin nx is minus cos nx by n square. Again differentiation of 2 into pi minus x is 2 pi is 0, minus 2x is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into minus cos nx by n square is minus sin nx by n cube. Apply the limit 0 to pi. Next an is minus 1 by 2 pi n square, sin n pi sin 0 is 0, so first and last term becomes 0, so minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, take the remaining terms, that is pi minus x into cos nx. Next put 0 to pi, pi minus pi is 0, minus put x is 0, pi minus 0 is pi into cos 0. Therefore an is pi divided by pi n square equal to 1 by n square, because cos 0 value is 1. Minus into minus plus, pi get cancelled, answer is 1 by n square. Therefore f of x equal to pi square by 12 plus summation 1 by n square cos nx. It is a naught is pi square by 6, a naught divided by 2 is 6 into 2 is 12. Now we have to deduce the series. To deduce the series I am taking x equal to 0, but here our limit is 0 less than x less than 2 pi. So here 0 is the discontinuous point, also it is end point. So formula is f of x equal to f of c plus 2 pi divided by 2. F of 0 equal to f of 0 plus f of 2 pi divided by 2. Therefore f of 0 is function is what? Pi minus x by 2 whole square. Pi minus 0 whole square divided by 4 plus f of 2 pi is pi minus 2 pi is minus pi whole square is plus pi square by 4 divided by 2. Pi square by 4 plus pi square by 4 is 2 times of pi square by 4 divided by 2, that is pi square by 4. 2 get cancelled, that is pi square by 4. Now LHS part is pi square by 4. Take this to LHS part. 1 by n square means 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus so on. Now we have to simplify this. We'll get pi square by 6 equal to this series. We want one more, take x equal to pi, but it is in the interval, it is continuous point. Function is same, pi minus x by 2 whole square, pi minus pi by 2 whole square equal to 0. LHS becomes 0, take this to LHS, cos n pi is minus 1 power n. Expand this, we'll get minus plus, take minus outside, both the sides we can cancel minus. 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus so on. Now we'll get pi square by 12 series. But we want pi square by 8. To get the answer for pi square by 8, add pi square by 6 and pi square by 12. After simplifying, we'll get the series pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. Thank you.